Hare Krishna everyone, my name is Hasini. I'm from Hatfield, Bhakti Vriksha, and today I'm going to show you how to make this garland for deities. I'm making these garlands for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. It is said in the Srimad Bhagavatam that the more decorated our deities, the more decorated our hearts with Krishna consciousness. For this garland, I am using pearl beads, a rose bead, golden beads, blue bicon beads, and red true beads, and normal thread and needle. Take your thread and needle and a single pearl bead. Thread the pearl bead through the needle and leave some space. Go into the opposite direction and thread the needle through the pearl again. You should do this so you can secure the pearl in place and make sure that it doesn't fall off. Take your blue bicon bead and pearl beads and bead them alternatively so you get 3 bicon beads and 3 pearl beads. Like this. Now get your red shoe bead and bead it through, and your gold bead and bead it through, and another red shoe bead. So it creates a pattern. Now again, you get your pearl beads and bicon beads and bead them alternatively through again. Now take your blue bicon beads and pearl beads and bead them alternatively until you get 3 bicon beads and 3 pearl beads. Like this. And now you should get your red shoe bead, bead it through, and your gold bead, and another red shoe bead, so it creates a pattern. Now you should all again bead your blue bicon beads and pearl beads alternatively, but this time with 4 pearl beads and 3 bicon beads. Like this. And now get your red bead again and your gold bead, and take your gold bead and your red bead and thread it through so it creates a pattern. Now take one pearl bead, one bicom bead, 2 pearl beads, and a rose bead. As you can see, I have made one half of the garland, and you should follow the same pattern on the other side. Now, as you can see, I have finished the garland and followed the same pattern on the other side. And I have finished the garland by tying the 2 ends of the thread together. Hare Krishna. Today I'm going to make this mukut. For this mukut, I need a piece of card, a pencil, an embroidery mirror, fabric glue, a crystal chain, a cloth of your choice, spherical 3D cone, a ruler, and a stapler. First, on this piece of card, I have made markings of 7.5 centimeters length and 2 centimeters width. Now, I'm going to cut it out.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
I have made markings here so I can cut it out to make the front part of the mukut.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Like this. I kept the card onto the cloth and now I'm going to cut it out. I am going to leave some place around the card so I can stick the cloth onto the card. I have stuck the 2 pieces of card together and now I'm going to draw the top of the mukut. I have now attached the top of the mukut. Now I'm going to make this feather. I have made the feather and I stapled it to secure the frills. Now I'm going to attach it like this. Now I will add the decorations. I will add the crystal chain here and the embroidery mirror here and the white spherical pearls around. I have also added some pearl dots on the feather to make it look more beautiful. Now I have decorated my deities with mukut and garland. I'd like to say thank you to my teacher Ramya Mataji, Yamneshwar Mataji and Sadhvi Mataji for giving me this opportunity to serve Krishna. Please bless me so that I can progress in devotion. Thank you.